Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Shahoji Ranna, where we'll be presenting you all Kolkata style egg roll. For that, we need to prepare the dough by adding in maida and oil, and then we need to add sufficient amount of water and knead the dough. Nextly, we need to chop in all the veggies. Like firstly, it comes the carrots. We need to chop it out into cylindrical shapes. After that, we need to peel off the skin of the cucumber and shape it out into smaller slices. Separate it out in a bowl, followed by the onions, which are to be shaped into small round circular sizes. In the same way, it is going to be separated out in a bowl. Now, the lemons are also to be shaped into smaller round sizes. After that, it comes in the turn to mix up all the veggies. The veggies need to be mixed up uniformly, and after that, we need to squeeze the lemon. The lemon juice followed by the salt, it adds up to the taste of the mixture. It brings up the chatpataness to the egg roll. Nextly, we need to knead the dough so that it becomes soft and it maintains the fluffiness for all the required time, and also the egg rolls are very thin and delicate. Nextly, brush in some amount of oil to a rolling pan, and the smaller pieces of the rolls, they have to be shaped out into circular sizes of the rolls. After that, we need to add it to a pan, followed by brushing it with oil upside down and frying it till it turns brown or yellowish golden brown in color. We do not need to deep fry it. After that, we need to prepare an omelette of the egg followed by a bit of salt, and then add in the omelette to the same pan. Fry it upside down as it was shown in the same procedure, and then take a rolling paper, add in the entire roll to the paper, and then top it up with all the veggies like carrot, capsicum and cucumber. Then top it up with a bit of ketchup. You can also add the red chili sauce if you want, and any chili flakes also. And then here comes our egg roll prepared. Prepare as many rolls as you can gulp in and your appetite fits in, and you have to follow the same manner and procedure for each and every roll.